Hi learners, today we're going to be looking at the short and long O sound. So remember, a long vowel always says its name. So, for example, if there is a long O sound in a word, you will hear the sound O. So I'm going to show you two lists of words. I want you to see if you can identify which list has the short O sound and which list has the long O sound. So our first word is sock. Do we hear the O sound in this word? I don't think so. So let's keep going and see if we can identify if this is the short or long O list. Next word is box. We hear box. Next word is mop. Mop. Last word is dot. Is that the short O list or the long O list? Our next list is toe. Do we hear that long O sound? Remember, O says its own name if it's a long vowel. Next word is goat. G-oat. Note. N-oat. And nose. N-ose. So which list is the short O and which list is the long O? So if you thought this list was a short O, you were correct. So sock, box, mop, and dot. We hear that ah sound. That is the short O. Over here, we hear the long O sound. Toe, because we hear O. Goat, note, nose. So the letter O has a short vowel sound and a long vowel sound. Say words slowly to listen for the vowel sounds in the middle. And remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So for example, if we look at the word toe, we see the O and the E. But in this word, the O, since two vowels are together, the first one does the talking. So the O comes through to our ear. If we look at the word goat, we see O and A, so a vowel team here. But the O does the talking, so we hear goat. All right, so let's look at our list for this week. So our Monday goal is to listen to our word pattern, which is what you are doing right now. So you're going to watch the video below. You're going to click here to watch the first video, and then there will be this video, which will be linked second. Read through your word list below, and then add words to the list that follow the pattern. So if we look at our short O again, we have rock, mop, clock, box, and lock. Now let's look at our long O. We have toe, road, goat, soap, and nose. And remember, if you say these words slowly and stretch them out, you'll be able to identify if it's a short O or if it's a long O. All right, if you have any questions, please let your teacher know.